Hello and welcome back to Food Snippets. If you ever need to whip up a quick side dish or even just a light lunch, this sweet and sour salad has you covered. We'll begin by finely chopping 2 bunches of fenugreek or methi leaves. Take these in a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 cup of roasted and coarsely powdered groundnuts. Next, add 2 green chilies finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt, and fresh juice of 1 lemon. Mix all of them together. The bitterness of the fenugreek leaves, along with the tanginess of lemon, moderate spiciness from green chilies, and sweet crunchiness from the groundnuts in unison makes up for an ultimate detox salad. This also stands as a great accompaniment for Indian breads. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with yet another recipe. Till then, take care.